or iOS device like the one that's on your screen. So I'm going to leave the fonts and everything else in the description below. So let's get on with it.
Okay. Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance. Love is just not in my plans.
Can't keep my dick in my pants.
First, you're going to want to download the app called Pixel Lab. Then you're going to click the pencil tool and you're going to edit the text to whatever text you want. I'm just going to be putting text as an example. Then you want to change the relative position and make it centered. I'm going to change the image size so that it fits a thumbnail. So you guys can make the width 1280 and the height 720 and it'll fit a thumbnail. Then you want to change the font. Once again, I left the font in the description below. The font is called American Captain. Then you want to make the size a bit bigger. Then you want to make it centered again. You're going to change the color, but you're going to make it a gradient. I'm going to make it orange. In order to do this, you want to click the plus button. And you're going to pick a color. So since I'm picking orange, you want to put the light orange on the left side. So as you can see, you want to move this one a little bit closer to the white. And then you want to make the right one a bit darker. So you're going to move it closer to the darker side over there. Then you want to click the plus button twice. And you're going to move it so that the colors form kind of a line. And then you're going to click OK. You just want to make it so that it's somewhat centered. Or however you guys want it. It's all on personal preference. There, I like that. So now we're gonna make it 3D text. And you're gonna make the darkening 0%. And you're gonna make the depth about 8 or 9%. Then you're gonna wanna 3D rotate it, and you're gonna make the X rotation about 20 or 21. Then you are going to want to add a stroke. I like adding a black stroke because it looks nice. But you can also add a darker version of the color that you're using. So kind of like that, but I'm going to keep it black. You're going to want to make the stroke as wide as you can so that there aren't any space like that. Those that you see there. And then you're going to want to center it again. In order to add the white stroke, you're going to click the plus button, which is above the trash can, and you're going to add shape. Then you're going to make the opacity 0%. Then you click the layer button, you click this button at the bottom, which is next to this green button, and you're going to merge these two. Then you're going to click on this pentagon. No, sorry, hexagon button at the bottom. And you're going to add a stroke. You're going to make it around 8 to 10, depending on how you want it. Then you're going to go into relative position again, and you're going to center it. Then you're going to click this square button. You're going to go on transparent. You can also add some shadows like this. I like that, so we're going to keep it like that. And then to save it, you guys are just going to click these 3 dots over here, and you're going to put export image. Save to gallery, and make sure you save it as a PNG. Okay guys, so that's it for this text tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want to see anything else, don't forget to leave it in the comment section below, and I will make sure to make a video on that. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.